In front of me is INFINIX Note Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. And by launching your keyboard and tapping on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now, to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text. And if you want to paste it instantly, just click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard. If you can't see it, use this icon at the top left corner, and then click on it. And tap on wherever you added to Clipboard over here. You can also hold it and select Paste. If you want to paste anything after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold it and tap on Pin. You can unpin it the same way. To delete anything from Clipboard, swipe it to the right, swipe it to the left, or hold it and use the Delete button. Last but not least, you can tap on this pen at the top right corner, and to manage multiple things from Clipboard, click on them and select Pin or Delete buttons. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!